What's up, y'all? It's Welcome Dishes. I'm about to show y'all how to make that bomb blueberry pie filling. It's gonna be so easy. Trust me, if you follow this, you're gonna make it bussin'. All you need is 5 to 6 cups of fresh blueberries, a tablespoon of lemon, and then you need 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now, first you're gonna take all of your blueberries and you're gonna put them on medium to low heat. You're gonna let them simmer for about 5 minutes, and then you can add in your sugar. What I want you to do is just fold these into each other. Do not spend time stirring it because your blueberries are going to tear, and that's just not going to have that desired look that you want. So as you fold these into each other, I want you to whisk together the cornstarch into a cup of water. And once you whisk that together, you're going to add it into this. You're going to take the lemon and the cinnamon and you're going to fold that in as well. And I'm telling you, this is going to be the best blueberry pie filling, and it's going to be bussin'. Your family's going to want to dip their biscuits in it. You're going to want to use it in every pastry. So stick with me because I got the recipes that's gonna make it bussin'. I guarantee you're gonna like it. And that's it. That's that easy blueberry pie filling. Now, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you engage with me. Drop a comment below and subscribe.